Good morning, it's Wednesday, we're just about to start our day, but we just wanted to say hi. We'll update you more in a little bit. Hey everyone, I just got ready and now I'm just going to finish cleaning up a little bit. Max is sleeping behind me on the couch, she knocked out. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some dishes and some just tidying up the house, and then we're gonna go out for the day. So see you in a bit. Hi, we're on our way to run some chores for the day. We're gonna go to Target, Trader Joe's, and I'm not sure where else. We'll see. First stop, Starbucks. Second stop, IKEA. Look at this. I love it. Not even a little bit. So we're just pushing the cart. Welcome to IKEA. Getting weird looks. Right. Just back down. Enjoy my Starbucks. She's trying to enjoy it too. See you at checkout. Good morning. I'm at work. I'm just about to put the kiddos down for a nap and then make some lunch. Yeah. It's super boring here. Pumpkin. Hi, Pumpkin. Thank you for the love. Thank you. I love you. Mama! Say hi! You're the baby. I wouldn't do that. Mama, don't break the plant. No, ma'am. We don't break the plant. Are you smooching the plant? Can you give it smooches? Mama, what are you doing? You want to give it, go, thank you, plant. You make that yet? Hi guys! So as you can see, I'm doing some self-care and putting a beauty mask on now that my work week is over. Max is up. Love you! Say bye-bye! Max knocked down the plant. It's all over the couch. Oh, we don't honk the horn! Is excited for lunch. Are you excited for lunch? No French fries? Do you want to say hi? So we're leaving to go get donuts, and Max wants to bring this cheese board with her.
Do you like cheese boards?
You like cheese? We know you like salami. She thinks it's a surfboard too, I think.
I gotta go get donuts.
Max is sleeping, so Ben's getting us coffee.
Be back.
I got you something. It's your birthday cake!
Thank you. Oh, this looks good. Thanks.
Hi everyone! So I keep seeing a lot of these clean with me videos, and God knows I need to clean. So I thought that it might be cool if I made one. Yeah, so I'll check in once I'm done, and I can sort of tell you like how Max isn't having any of it. And you can see how difficult it is to clean with a toddler in case you don't have one yourself.